with corresponding specific rate of import duty on the products. Mr. Speaker, betting has become widespread in our society, and its expansion has had negative social effects, particularly to the young and vulnerable members of our society. In order to curtail the negative effect arising from betting activities, I propose to introduce excise duty on betting activities at 10% at the amounts staked. Mr. Speaker, you'll have an opportunity to look at that. Mr. Speaker, although currently there is low uptake of electric-powered motor vehicles in the country, green energy technology is being embraced in many countries due to environmental benefits and renewability. Kenya too needs to promote the use of this clean type of energy in line with the Sustainable Development Goal number 7, which can be achieved through lowering and cost of these vehicles through tax incentive. Mr. Speaker, this will encourage uptake of these vehicles as well as encourage investment in area of the technology. Further, it will support the policy on green energy, thereby reducing carbon emission. In this regard, Mr. Speaker, I propose to reduce excise duty on motor vehicles that are fully powered by electricity to 10%. Mr. Speaker, excise revenue has declined from approximately 3% of GDP in 2003